Hey John.
Hi.
How you going?
Good.
For you, what was that thing that made you say, okay, yeah, I have to?
Oh, my teeth were in a bad way.
Oh, losing the teeth and the soreness as well.
Yeah, I was just sick of being in pain. Yeah, I mean, I went to a dentist, but it was a country dentist, and they didn't really care or do anything.
You know how your mates really try to be nice to you? You know, and they don't tell you, your teeth are rotten and your breath stinks. And it's like, you know, no one told me for like 2 years.
And there was also the smile as well, you know. I never smiled at anyone, it was always just first mouth smile.
Yeah, I'm so glad that they're out.
Yeah, it's going to take a little bit of getting used to it.
Yeah.
Just got to get in there and, you know, make the change, because it's not going to get any better as much as you try to fix and do and pretend it's not real.
So what do you reckon you're going to do after, you know, all of this is done, after the 4 months is complete?
Smile.
Smile?
Yeah. Very, very happy.
You ready to see your smile?
I am.
Ready to have a look?
Yeah, why not, eh?
Close your eyes. What for you? Okay, Billy. You can open them now.
Oh my god. It doesn't look right.
Yeah, oh, my missus might actually give me a kiss.
It's beautiful, it's a lifetime of wanting. No,
I haven't seen that smiling since I was about 18, so. Sweet. Never been that good in my life. Not even a kid.
I've never had teeth like that.
Does that look good?
I'm far out. I love them. Oh, that's awesome, Daddy.
Distress.
Thank you so much. It's an amazing job.
Let's hug for that. That's awesome. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. You're a legend.
We'll just do it.
I don't want to look anymore.
Oh, moment.
Thank you so much.
Try not to. Thank you.
Well done. Well done. You deserve all the help.